In exercise 8.3, we will find the compound interest or amount, two things. Okay, so every time you will keep in your mind, when interest compounded yearly, then rate is you will write same to same, and time is you will write same to same. Okay, and if the interest compounded half yearly, then rate will be just half of the given rate, and time is just 2 times, okay, of the given times. And if the rate in compounding interest is quarterly, then the rate is 1/4 of the given interest rate, okay, and time is 4 times of the given time. So see these 3 conditions and keep in your mind. According to the question, you will apply these conditions. So let us, here is the question number first of the exercise 8.3. It is given that part number D, rupees 8,000. So this is their principal amount. You will write here that is P equal to rupees 8,000. Very good. And after that, 1 year. Time is given that
1 year.
1 year. So you will write time equal to 1 year. Okay.
Sir, rate of percent.
And that it is given that at 9% per annum. 9%. When you will get the symbol percent, then you can say that this is the rate. Okay, in the question when you will get this symbol, then that was the rate of that question. So here is given that 9%, it means the rate is given that 9%. Okay, and question says that find the amount and compound interest when case is given that पर एनम कंपाउंडेड हाफ अर्ली. हाफ अर्ली आपको ये सब कुछ दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. तो सबसे पहले आपको यहाँ पे पता क्या करना है, अमाउंट पता करना है और कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट पता करना है. ओके, एंड दिस इज गिवन दैट हाफ अर्ली. हाफ अर्ली मीन्स here you will convert this into interest compounded yearly. Okay, now interest compounded yearly. What to do? Yes, you will write principal as same to same, that is rupees 8,000. No change anything here. And time is just 2 times because compound interest is compounded half-yearly. So for yearly, you will write this is 2 times. That is 2 into 1. That is 2 years. Okay, and rate is just give half of the given rate, that is 9/2%. Okay, don't convert into the decimal. कर भी सकते हैं लेकिन कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा सा बढ़ जाएगी, हार्ड हो जाएगी, तो पॉइंट में नहीं लिखेंगे. ओके, नाउ CI and A is required. So what to do? You know the formula for the compound interest. CI equal to, what the formula?
Amount is equal to principal.
P
Sir, bracket
1 plus R by 100
और sir ऊपर में
and into time, otherwise you can write N. So this is T or N. Okay, here you can write that N or T, anything. So this is the formula. A equal to P and 1 plus R by 100. So dear, P is given that 8000.
Yes, sir.
Put the value which is you see here, and 1 plus R is 9 by 2. Divide by 100, same to same, and time is given that 2 years. You will put these value because now interest is compounded yearly. First of all, you will convert the given condition per annum, otherwise yearly. So you will put all the values as you see. Now dear, you can write this as it is A equal to P. It is given that 8000 and 1 plus, once again see, this 2 just come into the denominator. So you will get 9 by 200
Yes,
and
sir.
whole raised to the power of 2. Okay, very nice. And after that, you can write this as 8000 and 200
Sir, 209 upon
209 upon 200 whole raised to the power of 2. Now you expand this using exponents and powers.
Yes, sir.
So you can write this 8000
Sir,
into 209 divided by 200 and into 209 divided by 200. Because exponents is 2, so you will write this number 2 times.
Yes, sir.
You can see there, this 0 and this 0 is cancelled out. This 0 and this 0 also cancelled out. This one is also cancelled out. Okay, and 2 to the
4.
4 and 4 to the 8.